Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to add users to Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. First off, log into your Monday.com account. This is your starting point. It's where all the magic happens. Now that we've done that, look for the admin section in the main menu. The reason we do this is because the admin section is where you manage all your users and their permissions. Next up, click on the Users tab under the Admin section. This tab is where you can see all your existing users and add new ones. Once you're here, you'll find the Invite New Users button. Click on it to get to the next step. Now, the beauty of this button is that it takes you directly to where you can add or invite new users, making the process quick and efficient. After clicking the button, you'll see a box where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Go ahead and type in those email addresses. Don't worry if you have multiple people to add, you can add as many email addresses as you like, just separate them with a comma. This helps us because it saves time and allows us to add multiple users all at once. Once you've got all the email addresses in, you should see a drop-down menu that lets you select a user type. You can choose between admin, member, or viewer. Select the appropriate type for each user you're adding. The reason we do this is to ensure that each user has the appropriate access level to the platform. After you've done all that, hit the Send Invites button. And voila, you've just added users to your Monday.com account. What's happening behind the scenes is that an invitation email is sent to each user, inviting them to join your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully added users to your Monday.com account. Remember, managing your team efficiently is key to your project's success, and Monday.com is here to make that easy for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.